We all want our homes to be safe, comfortable, and valuable assets that we can maintain with confidence. For most homeowners, this often means taking on some level of DIY home improvement. Having spent over 20 years in the real estate industry as both a landlord and investor, I've seen just how much impact a homeowner's knowledge can have on both the success of a project and the long-term value of a property. According to a 2024 report by the National Association of Realtors, most Americans take on DIY home projects as a way to save money. But while DIY projects can be rewarding, they can also be surprisingly complex and expensive if done wrong. Unfortunately, for many, DIY projects don't go as planned. 80% of surveyed homeowners report making mistakes during their projects, and 45% admit to completely butchering a job they initially felt confident about. These mistakes can cause costly repairs, reduce a home's value, or even create potential safety hazards. This reality highlights the importance of homeowners understanding some basics about their property before starting any project. This video covers 20 essential things every homeowner should know. Each point emphasizes practical knowledge that can prevent avoidable damage, keep a home secure, and help homeowners make informed choices. With a solid understanding of these basics, you'll be better prepared to tackle projects with confidence and avoid the common pitfalls many homeowners face. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. 1. Water shutoff valves and electrical panel locations. Knowing the location of the main water shutoff valve and electrical panel is critical for emergencies. If a pipe bursts or an electrical issue arises, being able to shut off water or electricity quickly can prevent serious damage. Every homeowner should locate these main controls, test them occasionally, and make sure each breaker in the electrical panel is clearly labeled. This knowledge is especially useful if you plan to do plumbing or electrical work, since turning off the correct circuits and water supplies is essential for safety. 2. Utility entry points and routing. It's important to understand where utilities enter your property and how they run to and through your home. This knowledge can help avoid major mistakes during yard projects or renovations, like accidentally damaging a gas line or water pipe while planting trees or digging trenches. Homeowners should be aware of the general layout and placement of water, electrical, sewer, gas, and cable lines. Before starting any digging project, it's a good idea to have utility companies mark the underground locations of these lines. 3. Septic versus sewer systems. Knowing whether your home uses a septic system or is connected to a public sewer is essential for planning any project that might impact waste management. Septic systems require specific maintenance and care, and certain projects, like expanding a driveway or adding a patio, could interfere with them. In contrast, homes connected to a city sewer system don't have the same restrictions, but come with different maintenance needs. Understanding which system you have will help avoid costly problems with drainage or foundation issues later. 4. Natural gas or propane system knowledge. If your home uses natural gas or propane, understanding your gas system is crucial for safety. Knowing the location of your gas shutoff valve and how to turn it off can prevent disaster in case of a leak. This knowledge is especially valuable if you ever smell gas in your home. Familiarizing yourself with the layout and operation of your gas or propane system will make it easier to detect problems early, keep appliances running safely, and handle emergencies confidently. 5. Fire extinguishers, smoke detectors, and carbon monoxide detectors. Every home should have working smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and at least one fire extinguisher in an accessible location. These safety tools are easy to overlook, but can make a huge difference in emergencies. Homeowners should place detectors in key areas, like bedrooms and kitchens, and make sure they're tested regularly. Fire extinguishers should be rated for common household fires and placed near potential fire hazards, like the kitchen and garage. Regular checks and timely replacements are important to keep these life-saving devices ready. 6. Basic roof and wall structure knowledge. A basic understanding of your roof and wall structures is essential before attempting any major renovations. Roofs and walls support the structure of your home, and changes to them can affect stability. Not all walls are equal. Load-bearing walls provide crucial support, and removing one without proper support can lead to serious structural damage. Similarly, knowing the materials used in your roof, like shingles or metal, helps homeowners plan for repairs, estimate the roof's lifespan, and spot potential issues early. 7. Type of foundation and basement conditions. The foundation is the backbone of your house, supporting everything above it. Different homes have different types of foundations, like concrete slabs, crawl spaces, or full basements, each with its own strengths, weaknesses, and maintenance needs. Foundations require regular inspections for cracks or signs of water intrusion, which can lead to mold or structural issues if ignored. Understanding the type of foundation and any potential issues, such as poor drainage or settling, helps homeowners take preventative action to maintain the stability and safety of the home. 8. Setback and accessory structure requirements. Many cities and neighborhoods have regulations that govern where you can build sheds, fences, or other additions on your property. Setback requirements specify the minimum distance structures must be from property lines, streets, or other structures. Ignoring these rules can lead to fines or the need to remove a structure. Homeowners interested in adding an accessory structure should review local zoning codes to ensure their project complies with legal requirements. This knowledge will help avoid costly mistakes or unnecessary adjustments. 9. Age and style of the house. Understanding your home's age and architectural style can help guide you in maintenance and renovation decisions. Older homes often feature unique materials and design elements that may require specialized care, while newer homes tend to use modern materials that are easier to maintain. Certain construction practices common in older homes, like lead paint or asbestos insulation, require extra caution during renovations. Knowing the historical or stylistic traits of your home can help preserve its character and avoid damage to its original features. 10. Cooling and heating systems. Every homeowner should have a basic understanding of their home's heating and cooling systems. Different systems, like furnaces, heat pumps, or ductless units, each have unique maintenance needs. Regularly changing filters, checking vents, and knowing how to troubleshoot basic issues are simple ways to keep your system efficient and prevent costly repairs. Homeowners who know the basics of their HVAC system can better assess when something isn't working correctly and, if needed, communicate more effectively with a technician. Before we continue with the video, take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Plus, we've got some helpful resources in the description. Check them out and share your comments after you're done watching. 11. Electrical system basics. A home's electrical system provides power throughout the property, so basic knowledge here is essential. Homeowners should be able to identify the main breaker box, understand which breakers control which areas, and check outlets for potential problems. Simple tasks, like replacing a switch or outlet, can often be done safely if you know how to turn off the correct breaker. Knowing these basics can help keep minor electrical issues from becoming major problems and improve safety around the home. 12. Plumbing system layout and maintenance. Understanding the basic layout of your home's plumbing system can prevent common mishaps, like hitting a water line during a renovation. Knowing the location of main water pipes, drains, and shutoffs allows for better planning and quicker response in case of leaks. Regular maintenance, such as checking for small leaks, tightening fixtures, and clearing clogs, can prevent bigger issues over time. A basic knowledge of the plumbing layout also makes it easier to work with a plumber if you need professional help. 13. Insulation and energy efficiency features. The insulation in your home affects its comfort and energy bills, so it's good to know the basics of what you have and where. Common insulation materials, such as fiberglass, foam, or cellulose, each offer different benefits and are often used in various parts of the home, like attics or walls. Assessing the condition and location of your insulation can help improve energy efficiency, making your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Homeowners who understand their insulation needs can make smart choices to improve energy savings. 14. Basic knowledge of wall and ceiling materials. The materials used in your walls and ceilings impact everything from hanging artwork to patching holes. Common wall materials include drywall, plaster, and occasionally wood paneling, each requiring a different approach to repairs and maintenance. Understanding what type of wall you're working with can help ensure that you use the right techniques and tools. For example, plaster walls in older homes may require specific repair materials and methods, while drywall is easier to patch and paint. 15. Types of flooring and their maintenance needs. Floors see a lot of wear, and each type, wood, tile, laminate, or carpet, has different maintenance needs. Hardwood floors may need regular polishing and occasional refinishing, while tiles require grout cleaning and may need repair for cracks. Laminate and vinyl flooring are more durable and require less maintenance, making them popular in high-traffic areas. By understanding the type of flooring you have, you'll be able to clean and care for it effectively, preserving its appearance and longevity. 16. Window and door types and care. Windows and doors are important for your home's energy efficiency, security, and comfort. Different types of windows, such as double pane or single pane, have different insulating qualities, and keeping them sealed and weather-stripped can prevent drafts and reduce energy bills. Doors, especially exterior ones, benefit from routine checks for leaks or wear-around frames. Regular maintenance, like cleaning tracks and checking for air leaks, can help ensure that windows and doors stay in good working condition. 17. Drainage and grading knowledge. Proper drainage and grading around your home's foundation are critical for preventing water damage. Poor drainage can cause water to pool near the foundation, leading to issues like leaks, foundation cracks, and even basement flooding. Understanding how water flows around your property can help you make small adjustments, like adding downspout extensions or minor grading to direct water away. Keeping an eye on these elements can protect your foundation and prevent long-term moisture issues. 18. Exterior siding and maintenance. Siding protects the exterior of your home from the elements, and each material such as vinyl, wood, or brick has specific maintenance needs. Vinyl siding, for instance, requires periodic washing to keep it looking clean, while wood siding may need repainting or staining to protect it from weather. Regular inspections for cracks, mold, or damage will help keep your siding effective and looking good, protecting your home from water intrusion and weather damage over time. 19. Landscaping basics and tree placement. Trees, shrubs, and other landscaping elements add to your home's curb appeal, but improper placement can lead to issues with your foundation, roof, or utilities. Tree roots can damage foundations and underground pipes, and branches too close to the house can scrape siding or clog gutters. Understanding the impact of plant placement and growth on your home's structure and systems allows for more thoughtful landscaping choices that won't create future problems. 20. Outdoor lighting, gutter systems, and patio deck maintenance. Maintaining exterior features like lighting, gutters, and decks is key to keeping your outdoor spaces safe and functional. Gutters help direct rainwater away from the house, so regular cleaning prevents clogs and water damage. Outdoor lighting ensures visibility and security, while decks and patios benefit from inspections for rot or wear. Routine care of these features keeps them in good condition, extending their life and preserving the value and appearance of your home's exterior. Wrapping up your homeowner essentials. These 20 essentials provide homeowners with the basic knowledge needed to care for and protect their home. Knowing these details helps prevent unexpected issues, maintain the property's value, and complete DIY projects more safely. Even simple insights, like understanding where utilities are located or how your foundation works, can make a big difference in making well-informed choices. With this foundational knowledge, homeowners can enjoy a safer, well-maintained home that's ready for any future projects. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.